This has to be one of the easiest ways how you can make money on Fiverr without doing any work. Guys, if you're a total beginner and looking for a way how to make money online, then I'm going to show you a brand new strategy, a secret niche that you can capitalize on right now to make thousands of dollars every single month. And on top of that, if you're new to Fiverr and just starting out, I'm going to share with you tips and tricks that you can use right now to ensure that you get the best result for your Fiverr gig. Now, let's jump in. Alright guys, so the secret niche that I want to show you right now is on Fiverr. So let me go ahead and show you this niche. So labels, if you head over to Fiverr and you simply type label design, right, and go ahead and search for this, you will be able to see that there are people out there who are simply paying good money to get label designs, right? And here are some freelancers who are simply selling their service. This guy, you can see, have over 1,000+ ratings, right? And I'm going to open this. Another one over 520 something ratings, 1,000+ ratings, 1,000+ ratings. So different sellers who are literally crushing it on Fiverr to sell labels. Now I'm going to open up one of these and show you how they actually sell it. Now if you look at this, you can see here they have 3 different tiers, right? They have the basic, standard, and the premium. And have a look at some of what they're offering within these tiers. So you have 1 item, initial concept, full product wrap. You also have the file ready to be print. They have the daylines, you have 3D mockup, and also you get the source file included. For over 100 euros, people are paying this. And as you can see, there are different tiers as well, as I mentioned before. Now, guys, I also want to show you another seller. Look at this seller as well, doing the same thing. Basic here, starting with 19. Then you have for 38 euros, you have the standard, and you simply have the premium. That also you have 2 items, 2 initial concept, front and back, 3D mockup, and also you get the source file. And as you look here, guys, this person have 11 orders in the queue. So you can see that this is simply high in demand. Now if I go back to the other seller, you can see as well that this person have over 30 orders in the queue. Interesting. And over 4,000+ coming. So this person is literally crushing it, making a ton of money utilizing this niche. And I'm going to show you simply how to do this with another secret website that I'm going to show you, that you can jump in and start a business in this today and simply crush it and make a ton of money online. I'm talking, if you take this serious, guys, you can make anywhere between 10, 20 or 30,000 US every single month, or literally more, depending on how much you scale your business, right? Now, the website in question that you can utilize, guys, to do this is a website by the name of Packdora. And as you can see, they have over 4,900 packaging templates, daylines, and mockups, right? Everything that you can find here. You have the mockup generator, you have the 3D design tools, templates, and dayline generators as well. So you can simply come here, you can find different categories, guys. Have a look at all of these. Simply amazing stuff, right? And as you can see, different stuff. Amazing. I would advise that you come here and check out this website because you can do quite a lot. Now I'm going to run through an example and show you how you can utilize this website. So let's say food packaging mockups, for example, right? And if you look on the left hand side, you can see quite a lot of different packaging, right? So I'm going to go ahead and choose, let's say, cans and jars, and yeah, let's choose this one, for example, right? And I'm going to click on it. You can click edit or you can click 3D design, but I'm going to simply click on it, right? And it will take me right into their editor here. And if you look, you see that you have the different size in here, different millimeters, you have 200. So you can simply go ahead and you can play around with the sizing as well. You have the different material, whether you want to be glassy or you want to be like metal. You can choose. You have the surface, you have 3D designs, you have videos as well, background, and so forth, right? You can simply click on upload here. Once you click on upload, it will ask you to sign in. So I'm going to simply sign in real quick with a Gmail account. And once you sign in, guys, you'll be able to upload your label, right? Or you can simply go ahead and you can click on different elements and you can make something from scratch. If you scroll all the way down, you can see that they have some free templates that you can use. So you can choose from this and you can build from there. You can also click on inspiration and you can build from there. But I'm going to show you how to create a very unique and very professional label that you can add to this, guys, right? So what I'm going to do, just simply head over to Canva, guys. And if you head over to Canva, you can just simply go ahead and type labels, right? If you type our labels and hit enter, you'll be able to find quite a lot of different labels. So I'm going to find something very interesting that we can utilize, right? So let's see what we can find. Now let me go ahead and type energy drink and see what we can find, right? Now let's see if we find anything interesting that we can utilize to create a very nice label. And here you see, guys, I found a very interesting label right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click customize. I'm simply not going to make any modification, but you can modify this to whatever you want. And then once you're done, all you have to do is simply come here and click on download, and you can download it as PDF. In my case, I'm going to just simply download it as a JPG, and I'm going to simply click download here. Now once this label is downloaded, guys, all you have to do, just simply head back over to Packdora, guys. And what you want to do, you want to go ahead and click on upload, right? And you can simply go ahead and find the label that you created and just simply click on open. That will open up the design for you, guys. And as I said, you can easily upload this label. So once you do that, just simply go ahead and click save. And here you can see that the label is added to my bottle. Right now, guys, this is pretty amazing stuff. So here you already see that my label is added to my bottle, right? And you can simply go to videos, and you can find the different style of videos that you can simply preview your label, right? And you can send this to the customers so that they can see how it looks. Pretty amazing stuff, right? Now once you're finished, guys, all you have to do, just simply go ahead and export. Now once you go and export, you will have the different things that you can export. You will be able to export the mockup, the D-line, the videos, the codes, everything you will be able to export. And then you will go back over to your Fiverr account, and you can simply share this with those customers. Very easy and very simple, and that's all you have to do, because with this Packdora website, you're able to get all of these things that you see that they're sharing here within each of these packaging on Fiverr.com, and that's all there is to it. You can simply go over to Fiverr and you can simply create an account just like this to sell. You can create a gig just like this, and you can fill in similar information there. And on top of that, if you want to scale your business to make thousands of dollars every single month, then you don't have to only limit yourself to Fiverr. You can create your own website offering a service like this and utilize Packdora to offer those different options and sell things just like this. Now guys, this is a very amazing stuff, guys, and that's all there is to it, guys. I really hope that you found this valuable, and I hope that you were inspired. And there you have it, guys. As you can see, this niche is an untapped niche, and you also see that this niche is high in demand. So you want to capitalize on this niche and start providing your services. Now once you have your services created on Fiverr, all you have to do is create promotional content, especially videos, and start posting them on your social media platform. And you can easily create a free promotional video using a website by the name of FlexClip. So simply head over to flexclip.com, search for promotions under their video templates, and you will find a bunch of different templates that you can utilize and create free promotional content. Now once you create your promotional video, you can post this on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, you name it. Go ahead and promote your service, and don't only wait for clients to find you only on Fiverr. So this is an incredible way how you can drive potential clients to your service so that you can make the most money out of your gig and utilize the power of AI to get this done for you. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.